Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Each stock within the Zacks Rank Buy universe is chosen based on how well it matches criteria, comprising the four main investing styles. Let's go over them once again. Aggressive growth, growth and income, momentum, and value. Today, we talk about some growth and income stocks. And we do that with Alex Kolb, our growth and income stock analyst for Zacks.com. And you've brought another batch of writings with you today. And even dressed up better than I did. SPX Corporation leads the pack. SPW, the ticker symbol. You tell us that they've boosted their earnings guidance for the second time this year.
Yeah, they're bullish on their future. The guidance came out in their second quarter report. They are now projecting for the full year. They're projecting between $6.40 to $6.60 per share. That was an increase from their previous guidance of $6.20 to $6.40. And as you mentioned, it is for the second time, and analysts are in line with them. Analysts currently have estimates for the 2008 year at $6.59. That's right next to the upper edge of the end of the guidance that the company made. And also analysts have been bullish in the past as well. This $6.59 is up from $6.41. So definitely fundamental growth. And the earnings boost, the guidance boost, is on the heels of a strong second quarter. So, further validation that there is fundamental growth. There's also income, because this is a growth and income pick. The company declared a quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share. That translates into a yield of 1%, which within this industry is competitive. Its peers are not really offering income, so 1% is competitive in the industry.
All right. And you are also offering up here Altera. ALTR, ticker symbol. Where's the growth? Where's the income here?
Growth again is in fundamentals. One thing that kind of stood out to me is a return on equity of 35%. That's a pretty solid return on equity, especially when you compare it to its industry average, which is 4%.
Yeah.
So that soars past the industry average there. This company also has a yield of 1%, like SPX. And again, like SPX, most of its industry peers, this is a semiconductor industry. It's in the semiconductor industry, this company. It's a tech company.
Yep.
A lot of its peers do not offer a dividend, so 1% is competitive here as well. And it had a solid second quarter earnings per share of 32 cents, topped the consensus estimates by 18%, 18.5.
All right. Analysts are also bullish on, is it Bunge?
Bunge. Yeah, BG.
Okay. BG, the ticker symbol. They've exceeded their consensus. Well, that's a hard thing to say. Yeah. Consensus estimate by an average of 68% over the past 5 consecutive quarters. Are you kidding me?
That's the average by which they've beaten, as you said. Yeah. This is this is a fertilizer company. It's agribusiness and food products, but in that agricultural area that does manufacture fertilizer, which we know that it's part of the commodities area, and it does cause for a volatile share price. But it also, this is an area that a lot of Wall Street is still bullish on, and the fact that it's beaten over the past 5 quarters by an average of 68% is just a testament to how bullish everything is in this industry, and specifically within this company. Fundamental growth. It was also took place in the second quarter, as was the case with these other companies. It had earnings per share of $4.73. That topped analyst estimates by 97%. That's where that average of 68 comes from. When you have a 97% one quarter,
right,
and you average it out with the previous quarters, you see bullish numbers like that.
All right, and we're going to take this segment home with Massey Energy Company, MEE. The ticker symbol. Where's the growth? Where's the income?
Again, growth here. Earnings report had earnings per share of $1.15, soared past 43 cents, which was the year prior earnings per share, and it topped the consensus estimate by 42%. It also has a dividend here. It recently declared a dividend of 5 cents per share. It translates into a yield of 0.04%. That's barely a yield, but again, I was going to say the rest of the industry here is at 0. In this case, I take that back. It actually matches the industry, which is also at 0.04%.
Okay. All right. Do you or does anyone in your household own any of these stocks?
No.
All right, I always have to ask that.
I understand.
Sometimes I forget, but I generally get it in there. Earnings estimate revisions are the most powerful force impacting stock prices, and the Zacks rank takes advantage of changes in estimates to help investors become more profitable. Now, each day on Zacks.com, Zacks rank buy stocks for the various investment strategies are spotlighted, and you can read about them on our website, Zacks.com. Just link right to them off of the home page. You can also learn about the Zacks rank buy concept by going to Zacks.com/rank. And with Alex Kolb, I'm Terry Ruffalo.